What are we making?
Okay.
Nope.
Cheerios?
Kind of. We're making Rice Krispie treats. Can you say that?
Yeah.
Say Rice Krispie treat.
Treats.
All right. Here we go.
Let's do it.
Let's do this. We got the ingredients: marshmallows, Rice Krispies. We need 3 tablespoons of butter.
Mushrooms. Milk. Milk.
No milk. We use butter.
Butter.
Yep. We need 3 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3. Okay, you help cut. Ready? Push. Good job. All right.
Put the cheese in.
It's not cheese. What is it?
Yes.
Butter.
Butter. Have it butter.
Put it in here. Good job.
Onion. Water.
No water. It's very hot. Don't touch. Okay? Hot. All right, so now we need to rub this butter all over the pan. Can you do that? Wait. Okay. Hold it like this. Hold it.
Marshmallows.
Yeah, they're marshmallows. How do you know that?